Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make Japanese cucumber salad. It's quick and easy using a mixed dashi product. I already shared with you how to make it in a vegan version before, but this one is quick and easy using a mixed dashi product. I don't usually make a video using a specific product, but I thought it's gonna be helpful for people who live in Japan or people who can go to Japanese grocery stores in your country. It's not sponsored, I'm just sharing with you what I keep in the fridge all the time. I hope you find this idea helpful and I hope you can try it out.
Here are the ingredients. If you're using fresh cucumber, wrap cucumber with salt and wash with water to smooth out the prickly surface. Of course, simply washing is okay. Cut cucumber into thick slices. Add 1 tablespoon of mild vinegar with dashi. Add 1 tablespoon of Mizkan Shiro Dashi sauce professional taste and a dash of sesame oil. Assuming water coming out from the cucumber, so don't worry, it wouldn't be flavorless. You can serve it immediately, but I always leave overnight till the cucumber slices absorb the flavor. Sprinkle with toasted white sesame seeds to finish. And now it's done! Very easy yet delicious. I make this almost every day for my son's bento lunchbox. Kids eat very well and easy to make. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.